Welcome to Cybernet Security. In today's video, we'll be talking about how we can reset users' password, on equally how we can unlock locked users' accounts. So when you click on this, if you have been going through my previous videos, in our last videos, we made a video on how we can create organizational units and equally users in Active Directory. So we already have a user in Active Directory. Let's go to users and computers. So here now I have my test company OU. So when you go to users, I have one user here, Cybernet Security. So you can actually, there are two methods you can do this. You can right click on this user here, and as you can see here, you have reset password, and here. So but in situations whereby the environment is very large, you have a lot of users and objects on your environment, you might want to filter down the user that you want to reset. So let's go to find objects in our directory domain and services. So here in my own case, I'm searching for Cybernet Security user. Cybernet Security user. So here I'll click on find now. As you can see, this is our user. From here now I can right click on this guy. We have reset password. When I click on reset password, I'm going to give a default password that the user will have to use to log in to his account. So I have an option to allow this user change this password. I have the option to unlock the user's account if the account has been locked. So when I want to unlock the user's account, I will just have to check on this box. The same thing goes to this guy. If I want to user to change this default password that I just gave to it to his own defined password, I will equally check on this box as well. So I'll click on OK. As you can see, the user password has been changed. So now I can tell the user to go and sign in on his account using the default password I created here, and on his first sign up he'll be requested to change his password. So this is how you can reset users password and equally unlock users accounts in Active Directory. So I do hope this video is resourceful. Thank you guys, and let's not forget to like, share this video to our friends, and equally let's not forget to subscribe, because more resourceful contents will be coming your way. Thank you guys, and do have a lovely day.